everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. I'm back with another video for you guys. Do you guys remember the 4 vocabulary words we learned in the first video? Yeah? Of course. Those 4 vocabulary words are from the story. Yeah, don't wash that bear. Yeah, that was a great story. So now guys, let's review the 4 vocabulary words together. Are you ready? Here we go. The first word is, that's right, t-shirt. Let's say it 3 times. T-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt. I'm wearing a t-shirt. Okay. The next word is washing machine. Let's say it 3 times. Washing machine, washing machine, washing machine. Very good. The next word is bubbles. Let's say it 3 times. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Very good. And the final word is, that's right, raspberry. Let's say it 3 times. Raspberry, raspberry, raspberry. Very good, everyone. We just reviewed the 4 vocabulary words. Amazing. Hey guys, can you do this? Can you do the monkey? Do this. All right, that was great. So now guys, we just finished reviewing the 4 vocabulary words. So guess what's next? That's right, sentence patterns. Are you ready? Say ready. All right, here we go. The first sentence pattern word is, that's right, t-shirt. Here we go. What are you wearing? I am wearing a t-shirt. Yeah, I am wearing a t-shirt. Okay, the next sentence pattern is, yes, washing machine. Here we go. Where are your dirty clothes? My dirty clothes are in the washing machine. Yeah, if you have dirty clothes, you can put it in a washing machine. All right, great job. The next sentence pattern is, yes, bubbles. Here we go. Do you like to blow bubbles? Yes, I like to blow bubbles. Me too. Okay, guys, the final sentence pattern is, that's right, raspberry. Here we go. Is a raspberry a fruit? Yes, a raspberry is a fruit. Yes, it is. I like to eat raspberries. So delicious. Amazing, everyone. Awesome. We just learned our 4 sentence patterns. Yeah. Yeah, that was easy, right? Yes, it was. Thank you, everyone, for looking at my video. And I will see you guys again next time, okay? Bye-bye.